How to delete WeChat account. So if you want to delete WeChat account, then first you just need to open up your WeChat application and make sure to log into your account. So open up your WeChat. Once you open, now you need to go for the login option, which is here on the bottom left. Tap on login and then make sure to log into your account. Once you've logged into your account, then you just need to simply go with me or the profile icon, which will be on the bottom right. Once you're on the profile, select the settings tab. And once you select the settings tab, you need to go with the account security option. Under account security, here you will have an option of WeChat Security Center on the bottom of your screen or on the last option. You need to tap on that. Once you tap on it, you will have safety tools on the middle of your screen. Tap on safety tools and then go for the last option, which is account cancellation. Once you tap on account cancellation, you need to scroll down and tap on request cancellation, which will be on the bottom of your screen, and then your account will be deleted. You need to agree and confirm the cancellation and your account will be deleted. So that's how you can delete your WeChat account, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.